Did you know you can use the power of the mind to make someone like you more? Sounds cool, right? It's all about the subconscious mind. Think of it like a giant computer that stores everything we see, hear, and feel. When you know how to gently influence that part of the mind, you can raise your charm score and become unforgettable. So how does it work? First, let's talk about something you've probably noticed before. Big companies like Coca-Cola spend tons of money on ads, even though everyone already knows their name. Why? Because when we see or hear something over and over, we start to like it more. This trick works for relationships too. Think about your favorite song. The first time you heard it, you might have thought, it's okay. But after hearing it a few more times, you couldn't stop singing it. That's how repetition works. When you're consistently around someone, whether it's in person, over text, or on social media, they start to think about you more. And guess what? That raises your charm score. People's minds work like this. If you don't clash with their values or beliefs, their brain starts asking, why not like this person? To make this happen, show them your best side. Be kind, thoughtful, and approachable. Over time, their subconscious will think, maybe this person is a great match. Your conscious mind is like a guard at the door, deciding what gets through to your subconscious. But sometimes, you can distract that guard. For example, product ads in movies sneak into your mind while you're busy enjoying the story. In relationships, the trick is to let mutual friends say good things about you. When they hear praise from someone they trust, it bypasses the guard and sticks in their mind. People trust their friends, right? So, if their best friend says, "Oh, she's so funny and sweet," that sticks. But here's the trick. It has to feel natural. If it seems like you asked for the compliment, it could backfire. Instead, make a great impression on their close friends and let them spread the good vibes for you. Have you ever noticed that when lots of people like something, it suddenly seems cooler? That's called social proof. On social media, for example, if you post a nice photo and get lots of positive comments, it makes you look even more charming to someone who's interested in you. Their subconscious sees all those people liking you and thinks, wow, they must be amazing. Getting into someone's subconscious takes time, but it works like steps. First, they're not interested in you. Then they start to think you're nice. After that, they see you as attractive. Finally, they wonder if being with you could work. By being kind, present, and patient, you can help them move through these steps. This isn't about tricking someone. It's about showing them your best self, being thoughtful and using smart strategies. By being consistent, aligning with their values, and making a good impression on their friends, you'll naturally raise your charm score and stand out in their mind. Try these tips and see how it works for you. And remember, building a connection takes time, so be patient. In the next video, we'll talk about even more fun ways to stand out and keep their attention. See you soon! Follow for more tips on connection, charm, and building lasting relationships.